Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem Kafadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a news article from inews.co.uk, and it reads, U.S. weapons are coming. Taiwan told as China ramp up military intimidation. As we've been seeing, the latest escalation has been heating up over there in the South China Sea as China's military presence as they getting closer and closer to invading Taiwan. U.S. weapons are coming, Taiwan told as China ramps up military intimidation. Chinese warships and F-16 jets patrolled the skies near Taiwan last week at the inauguration of the island's new president. U.S. weapons are on the way, Taiwan, a senior political has said after staged war games around the island and it stepped up its campaign of military intimidation. A U.S. congressional delegation told Taiwan's new leader on Monday that American weapons were on the way after Beijing carried out 2 days of war games following the inauguration of the island's new president, William Ye Ching-te. China has called Mr. Lei, the pro-independence leader of the Democratic Progressive Party, a dangerous separatist who would bring war and decline to the island, while reiterating its desire to reunite Taiwan with mainland China, which is a highly unlikely at the moment. How the way we see tensions are escalating. It says many Taiwan consider themselves to be part of a separatist nation, with 80% favoring a range under which Taiwan neither declare full independence nor unites with China, according to a survey in February. Slovakia. Yep, Joel 3 and verse 9, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty men, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up, especially with the rising tensions of China military presence increasing over there in the South China Sea as they further approaching, getting closer and closer to invading Taiwan, as China is still under that one China policy. And then, they feel like if China feels like if the United States violates the one China policy, as they trying to have Taiwan still under that one China policy, but the United States looks at Taiwan as an increasing unofficial ally, economic ally partner, and a military ally partner as well too. So we're going to see definitely tensions are going to heat up on that category sense as well too, as the tensions continue to increase over there in the South China Sea. As once again, like I mentioned before, as China military presence is increasing over there, because they had that, I believe that military exercise drills as of last week. Once the new president over there in Taiwan was elected, I believe they call it Punishment 2 military exercise drills, if I'm not mistaken. That's what they called it. So that shows that once again, escalation is definitely only going to continue to heat up over there in the South China Sea. China versus Taiwan. Joel 3 and verse 10. Beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks, and let the weak say I'm strong. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from inews.co.uk, as we had the newly elected president over there in Taiwan. And it was according to reports, as I was reading a news article, it was saying that China saying that this new president from the Democratic Party of Liberation, come to my understanding, was saying that he's a dangerous separatist. So we're going to see how that plays out now that he's the new president over there in Taiwan, as escalations are heating up, over there in the South China Sea, as China continue building up their military presence as they get further closer and closer, now more than ever, to Taiwan. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to. Hey, how you doing, dude? So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai. Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the, okay. Shalom to the elders, Pa'akim Akwaf, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash Hotan. Barakatham to the elders, Pa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I say Shalom.